Unless you've been hiding under a rock for the last couple years, I'm sure you've heard of the Paleo Diet. I hate to even call it a diet, because it's really just the real way that humans have eaten for almost 1.9 million years. As opposed to the modern-day processed food diet full of grains, sugars, and processed vegetable oils. Whether you have or not, what you probably don't realize is that it's the fastest-growing eating plan in the world right now. From celebrities, chefs, elite athletes, even fitness experts, everyone is eager to try it or adopt it. And for good reason. Because no other diet or eating plan provides so many benefits so fast. Increased energy, clearer skin, lean muscular body, enhanced libido, greater mental clarity, all-day stamina, better workouts. The list goes on and on. Talk to anyone who's actually eaten paleo for even a full month and chances are they'll rave about the changes they started seeing in their body. Now, the number one problem. You see, by far the biggest complaint we hear from many who try out the paleo lifestyle is boring or that it's too hard. Often, people learn the core principles, experience results, but then get stuck eating bland meals of the same foods over and over again. Today, that problem is completely solved for you with the something my friends over at PaleoHacks have created their first ever Paleo Cookbook. Go here to try the incredibly delicious PaleoHacks Cookbook. Just FYI, PaleoHacks is the single biggest online paleo community anywhere. Filled with tens of thousands of people actually thriving on eating paleo. Inside, you'll not only get 125+ delicious mouth-watering recipes, they've also included some great bonuses as well, to help you get started as fast as possible. Like the bonus Paleo 4X cookbook, which lists some great recipes that only require 4 ingredients. To keep it as simple for you as possible. Thanks for watching. Click the link below, all the details in the description.